The hardest part of any task isn't doing it, it's starting. If you've been saying, "I'll do it later," this video is your reset. Have you ever picked up your phone just for 1 minute and suddenly an hour disappeared? Or promised yourself, "I'll start tomorrow," then tomorrow became next week? Here's the truth. Most people don't procrastinate because they're lazy. They procrastinate because the task feels too big, too confusing, or they're afraid it won't be perfect. The good news? You don't need more motivation. You need a better way to start. Let's reset that today. Step 1. Make it tiny. Stop telling yourself to finish the whole project. Instead, commit to just 2 minutes. Write 1 sentence, read 1 page, answer 1 email. Starting is often the hardest part. Once you're moving, it's much easier to keep going. Step 2. Remove 1 distraction. Look around you. What's stealing your attention? Your phone? Open tabs? Background notifications? Remove just 1 distraction before you begin. A focused environment makes focused work much easier. Pause for a second. What's the one task you've been avoiding all week? Imagine how you'll feel once it's finally done. Step 3. Use a 10-minute timer. Don't promise yourself you'll work for hours. Just set a timer for 10 minutes. Tell yourself, "I only need to focus until the timer ends." Most of the time, you'll want to keep going. Step 4. Forget perfect. Perfection is one of the biggest reasons people procrastinate. Your first draft doesn't need to be amazing. It just needs to exist. Done beats perfect. Every single time. Step 5. Celebrate small wins. Finished the first page? Celebrate it. Sent the email? Celebrate it. Every small win teaches your brain that taking action feels rewarding. That's how consistency grows. 1 small success at a time. Remember, you'll never feel ready every day. Action comes first. Motivation often follows. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it. Start with just 2 minutes today. Your future self will thank you. If this video helped you, subscribe to Daily Reset, where every week we reset our habits, strengthen our mindset, and take 1 small step toward a better life.